Welcome to this tutorial on how to manually tag list in Prep Tag Editor. Prep has an auto-tagging list feature to remediate the list automatically with one click. However, we can also tag a list manually in the Prep Tag Editor. To manually tag a list, first, draw the bounding box around the entire list content. Select the tag covering the list area and press M for B-box sensitivity. Adjust the sensitivity level to tag all the relevant blocks accurately. Click Save once it's done. Then, manually select all list label elements and tag them as list label. Similarly, tag all list body content as a list body. Once your lists are configured, select all list tags and group them as list in the tag tree. And group each set of related list label and list body into the list item. Grouping list tags in the tag tree helps maintain the list structure and reading order in the PDF document. Finally, click Save to apply and keep your changes. That's it. You've successfully tagged a list manually in the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.